Hi guys. So I'm back. Um, it's been a long time. I wanted to check in because I've gotten a lot of requests for this. Um, Basically people have been messaging me and like asking me like how do you get that quarantine look? People are just messaging me like you're glowing, wow, you're incredible, you're beautiful, like you've just got that look. So today I just kind of wanted to go over like my quarantine routine and like how I get that glow that everyone's been talking about on me specifically. Um, so I guess I'll just start, and a lot of this has to do with like my skincare routine. But I didn't really want to show you that because it's kind of boring. So I do have some of my products here. So here's my face wash. It's L'Oreal Vitalift Bright Reveal. Um, I have I have like three different face washes that I use, but this is the main one. It's like a little exfoliating, so it really does like break up that, skin or something. I don't know. Um, and then sometimes, ooh, feeling fancy, I'll go over it with this facial toner. It's witch hazel, but it smells like rose petal. It smells like rose petal. So sometimes I'll just like do a little quick toner on there. And then this is my favorite like skin cream. It's this Pond's Crema. You can only find it in these little bottles at Target in the dollar section. So that's what I've been doing. It just really nourishes. It says nourishes for up to 24 hours. So I've got that going. It's great. Um, and so that's kind of like the skincare. So like that's, how I get this just base, glowy base. Cold sore, I don't know where that came from. Um, so we're just gonna pretend it's not there. So, so we've got the skincare part down. Really take your time. Just make sure that your face feels, moisturized and that it feels like you have a good base. So my skin feels a little clammy right now because I'm actually really hot. Um, you don't have to be hot to do this though. Okay, so what we're gonna do, and this is gonna really incorporate like a mask because when you go in public, you still want to look fierce in a mask. It's like make it quarantine, but make it fashion. So we're gonna make it fashion. So I'm gonna grab just a few of my tools here. I'll show you as I go. But first, what we're gonna do is put our mask on. So we'll put it on like this, and I hope I'm gonna talk a little louder, so I hope you can hear me. So this is my homemade mask. I did make this one. I sewed it myself. It fits great, so we're gonna really build around our mask. So what we're gonna do, I have this like eyeliner brow something pencil, so just, really sharp edge. We're gonna use this. And what I do is I use a little bit of this spray from Trader Joe's. It's rose water facial toner. I just do a quick spray usually before I do like a full face, but today's just like a quarantine routine. So we're not going to do, anything crazy. So we're going to spray this. Just get it like damp, like just a little damp. So then what we're going to do, I have this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me from Amazon, and it was like $15. But I will say it legitimately does have some like good colors. So we're gonna use this. And it has this nice black. Not many palettes have a good black in there, so like this is a good one. So we're gonna use this, and I'm just gonna dip my pencil or my little brush. I'm just gonna dip it in real quick. And what we're gonna do is we're going to just draw along that line. I'm going to try to get this light back up because it looks bad. Maybe not. Maybe that's not going to work. That's okay. You can still see me, right? Um No, there we go. There we go. All right, so back to business. So we're going to take this and we're just going to really get, the basic line of your mask. You just want to make sure that it's all, you know, kind of stamped out here. It's okay if it goes a little bit higher like I did on this side. I'd prefer it a little lower, so maybe we'll clean that up. Just make sure that you've got all the sides, however you normally wear your mask, that's what you want it to look like. Just really get this good quarantine look. So we got our basic line here. I'm just going to darken it up a little bit just to make sure that, it's all there. I'm going to clean this line up over on this side a little bit. So basically that's that for that part. We're just going to draw that out. I'm just going to clean my brush a little bit. I have a towel down here that I use, just kind of wipe it off. I don't use this often, but you just never know. All right, so we're going to take the mask off now. And hold on, I just have to untie it. All right, there we go. All right, so there you kind of have your outline. And what you're going to do, you just want to make sure that the lines are even and straight. I'm just going to spray that again, a little bit of toner, because it really doesn't matter. You just want to get that off. It's good pigment though in this palette, so it might just take a little bit of elbow grease to get that part off. But there we go. Okay, so you see here that the lines are really, they're kind of crisp, they're kind of even, and so that way, it just really guarantees that you have that mask outline. And so then from there, you're going to put your mask back on and go outside. And that's it. So that way, you know where the mask is. And I don't actually put on makeup anymore because I don't go outside and no one sees me, so I don't care. But this just really guarantees that I know where my mask would be sitting. And that's it, you guys. Like that's that's how I get my quarantine look. Um, Follow me, for more suggestions, subscribe and like down below. Um, that's it. I'm so glad that you guys asked me to do this. Like I've been getting so many messages for this video, and so I'm glad I finally had the time to like sit down and really do it. Things have just been so wild. Um, so that's it. If you like this video, let me know. Um, I'll do more if you want. I'm always happy to um, you know, give the fans what they want. So thank you guys for following me on this journey. Um, that's it. That's quarantine mask makeup. Lines are looking good. Everything looks great. Bam. Mask makeup. Perfect. All right, guys. So let me know what you're doing while you're in quarantine. Comment down below. Let me know if there's any other videos you want to see. Um, so thank you guys so much. And I'll see you next time. Okay, bye, guys.